Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create tasks in Bitrix24, so let's get right into it. Now, Bitrix24 is a very huge managing service. You can use it to manage your projects, you can use it to manage your CRM for your business, you can use pretty much anything you need to manage your business with, and it is a very helpful and useful service. It is paid for. You have a free 50-day period which you can use, but you do need to subscribe to it, and once you have a plan or an account on it, you can start using it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on my CRM page, and to start creating tasks, what you need to do is go to your tasks and projects page. Once you're here, you can view either your individual tasks for your team or to whoever you assigned it to, or you can go to your projects and add tasks to that. Now, what I'm going to show you first is how to create general tasks, and to do so, just get to this list, select the view which you want. It really does not matter which view you select. You'll just see all the tasks over here, and what you can do, depending on the view, you can create quick tasks, as you probably saw the buttons over there, but I'm just going to go ahead and create a task the traditional way. Just click on create, name your tasks whatever you want, and add a description if you want to. It really doesn't matter. You can also add deadlines, add assignees. It really depends on what you wish to accomplish. You can also browse through task templates if you want to, but it doesn't really matter. And you can add a task and create another one, or you can just add a task by clicking this button or pressing Control Enter, and for some reason that's trying to leave the site, which I'm not going to do, so I'm just going to click that. And as you can see, the new task has been created. You can enter this and edit the task if you wish, but now I'm going to go over and select a project, and once you select a project, you can edit the tasks over here. As you can see, it's very similar to that other view. You just need to click create, name the task whatever you want, assign it to whoever you want, set the deadline, and click add task. And once that's done, it's going to add the task under that project. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in another video.